Hello, everyone. Today, we will be looking at the health benefits of spider plants. We're going to discuss how spider plants can improve air quality, increase humidity, reduce stress, and provide other benefits for both people and pets. Introduction. Spider plants, scientifically known as Chlorophytum comosum, are among the most popular houseplants in the world. They are easy to grow, inexpensive, attractive, and adaptable to many indoor environments. While many people keep spider plants just because they look beautiful, these plants may also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. What is a spider plant? The spider plant is a perennial plant native to southern Africa. It is known for its long, arching green leaves and small plantlets that hang from stems like spiders on a web, giving the plant its common name. Spider plants thrive indoors and require minimal care. They tolerate a wide range of light conditions and can survive occasional neglect, making them an excellent choice for homes, schools, offices, and healthcare facilities. Health benefits. Air purification. One of the most widely discussed benefits of spider plants is their ability to improve indoor air quality. A famous NASA clean air study found that certain houseplants, including spider plants, can absorb some airborne pollutants through their leaves and root systems. Research showed that spider plants were particularly effective at removing compounds such as formaldehyde and carbon monoxide from controlled indoor environments. Formaldehyde is commonly found in furniture, carpets, paints, cleaning products, and building materials. Long-term exposure to indoor pollutants may cause eye irritation, replace proper ventilation or air filtration systems, increased humidity. Spider plants release a process called transpiration. Many indoor environments, heating systems, or low outdoor humidity. Dry air can contribute to dry eyes, irritated nasal passages, and sore throats. By releasing water, plants may help maintain more comfortable humidity levels indoors, can improve comfort and reduce dryness related symptoms. Numerous studies have shown that being around plants can have positive psychological effects. Indoor plants can create a calming environment, reduce feelings of stress, improve mood, promote relaxation, increase feelings of well-being. Spider plants are especially beneficial because they are easy to care for. Their vibrant green leaves add natural beauty to indoor spaces, helping people feel more connected to nature even when they are indoors. Many schools, offices, and healthcare facilities use plants to create more pleasant and relaxing environments. Improved focus and productivity. Spider plants are commonly placed in offices, classrooms, libraries, and study areas. Their presence can make indoor spaces feel more welcoming and less sterile, potentially helping people stay focused for longer periods. Reduced dust levels. Houseplants may help reduce airborne dust particles. According to information from the ASPCA, houseplants have been noted to help improve moisture levels and keep airborne dust levels lower in homes. Although plants are not a substitute for regular cleaning, they can be a part of a healthier indoor environment. Many houseplants can be toxic to cats and dogs, but spider plants are generally considered non-toxic to pets. The ASPCA lists spider plants as non-toxic to cats and dogs. This makes spider plants a safer option for families with pets. Encourages connection with nature. Modern lifestyles often involve spending large amounts of time indoors. Having plants in homes, schools, and workplaces helps bring a small piece of nature indoors. Studies consistently show that exposure to natural elements can improve emotional well-being and reduce feelings of stress. Spider plants are particularly effective because they are easy to grow and propagate. Their baby plants can be replanted and shared with families and friends, encouraging gardening and environmental awareness. Conclusion: they may help improve indoor quality, increase stress, improve mood and productivity, help reduce dust, provide a pet-friendly plant option, and strengthen our connection with nature. Because they are affordable, attractive, and easy to care for, spider plants are an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a healthier indoor space. The references for this presentation are ASPCA Spider Plant Information, NASA Clean Air Study Overview, University of Vermont Extension Houseplants and Indoor Air Quality, and Missouri Botanical Garden Spider Plant Profile. Thank you for listening.